don't know who motherfucking representing it here tonight.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a iPhone or X case review. So this case was sent to me from this brand called CUSTYPE, and they are on Amazon, and they did reach out to me and they sent me a case. I was able to pick out the one that I wanted. So if you want to see which one I got and more information regarding this company, then keep on watching. This brand is on Amazon, and this particular case that I have does retail for $11.99. Pick the pink sparkly case. Of course, you know, I had to get it something that's pink and sparkly. And here is the inside of the case. Before I tell you more about the case, it came like this. So the packaging was legit. It wasn't no just thrown together type of packaging. Just slide it out here, and then here at the top it had the cushion thing that protects the inside of the case, which I like because again it helps to protect the case. Also came with like this clear type of plastic with the case inside of the plastic, already opening and everything, because again I wanted to try it out and see how I liked it and things like that. In the packaging, I have had it for about a week now. So far so good. It's like a really good sturdy case, like it's not cheap in here. So like say if you want to, because you know how sexy the iPhone 10 is, you can take this out and have a clear back end. I will show you how it looks with the glitter, so we'll show you how it looks with the glitter out of the case. Both ways it looks really pretty. Right now I have the CUSTYPE case here on my iPhone. I did just get this over the weekend. About CUSTYPE, we're talking about CUSTYPE cases. Yeah, here is the iPhone 10. I'll show you with the case without the glitter in the back, and I'm gonna show you how cute it looks. So as you know, the back of the iPhone 10 is really sexy and cute already. You can find a case that can, you know, do both. Like you can have the glitter look and you can also have the plain background, which I like as well. The back of the iPhone 10 is really cute and sexy in my opinion. The case with the glitter taken out. Again, here is me taking the case off. Really easy to get on and off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, this is really pretty, y'all. Look at that. And it's not like that type of glitter that will, you know, get on your fingers, or it's like, you know, real, I don't know, it's a really nice smooth glitter. You can't even feel it, like nothing gets on your hands or anything like that. I'm going to place this in here. You do have the logo of the company right here. It's really small, you really can't see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my iPhone 10 back in the case, and now here is the one. Oh, look how pretty that is, the one with the glitter in the inside. So like I said, both ways looks really cute in my opinion. You can have your blinged out case, and then you can also have it where you showing the back of the iPhone 10. Like, yeah, you guys, this thing is legit. I wouldn't lie to you. It's cute. We'll show you on Amazon. They did have two colors to choose from, but I chose the pink and the black. The price changed to $12.99, and that one is cute as well. I'm a pinky type of girl, so that's why I got the pink. And you can use this if you have the chargeable device that you can lay your iPhone on. So it still will charge your iPhone if you do have that type of charger. I don't have that type of charger yet. I haven't upgraded, so I couldn't say if it worked or not. But here in the picture, it shows that you can use it with that type of charging device. Okay, so I'm just reading the claims on the website. It states it's supposed to be shock-proof, anti-scratch. It protects your camera, like it has like a little extra protection around the camera area. It kind of protects your camera lens. So yeah, and it is on Amazon Prime, so if you do have Prime, you can get it, I think, in like 2 days. Well, this particular company on Amazon, again, I will leave the link down below. Like I stated in my previous iPhone X videos, I am not going to be spending a whole lot of money on cases anymore, because I bought two $80 cases and they was like down the drain. I was able to sell one of them, and I did return the other one because again I didn't need to use them. Anyway, let me stay on topic, because again I'll get off topic so quick. I wanted to share that really quick with you because like I said, if you like me that don't want to spend a whole lot of money on cases but still, you know, want to switch up and still be cute at the same time, discount code or anything like that, again, just read down in the description box and I have all the details about this case. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know I love sharing good deals and, you know, something worth trying, because look how cute that is, y'all. If you're a girly like me and like pink, you will really love this case. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also click that notification bell so you can be notified each week when I upload videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.